So, how do you determine which type of website is best for your needs? The best way is to think about your goals and what you want to achieve with your website. Do you want to share your thoughts and your experiences with a personal blog? Do you want to sell your products online with an e commerce website? Or do you want to showcase your work with a portfolio? No matter what type of website you choose, it's important to do your research and plan out your content and features carefully. With a little bit of planning and effort, web designers can create a website that meets your needs and helps you achieve your goals. Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to start a series about website types. If you're in the market for a new website or just curious about the different types out there, you've come to the right place. Some of the most common website types include static websites, dynamic websites, e-commerce websites, blogs, portfolio websites, social media websites, news websites, educational websites. Let's first check what static websites are and why they are a great option for business and individuals who need a simple and affordable website. Unlike dynamic websites, static websites do not rely on server-side processing or database queries. Instead, they are pre-built and ready to be served to the user. Let's see why one would choose a static website. The first reason is speed. Static websites are extremely fast because they don't require any server processing. This means that the website loads quickly and users can access the information they need without having to wait. Security. Static websites are inherently more secure than dynamic websites because they don't rely on server-side processing or database queries. This makes them less vulnerable to attacks and hacking attempts. The cost. Static websites are much cheaper to build and maintain than dynamic websites since they don't require any server-side processing or database queries. The cost of hosting and maintenance is significantly lower. I would advise you to do different codes for accurate prices according to your location. Static websites are a great option for businesses and individuals who need a simple and affordable website. They can be used for 1. Personal websites. If you need a simple website to showcase your portfolio or share your thoughts and ideas, a static website is a great option. 2. Small businesses. Static websites are a great option for a small business that need a simple and affordable website to showcase their products and services. Landing pages. Static websites are also great for creating landing pages for marketing campaigns. They are fast, easy to build, and can be optimized for conversions. Easy. You just need to know HTML, CSS, and maybe a little bit of JavaScript. There are also a lot of great static site generators out there and can help automate the process. But don't just take my word for it. Let's check out some of the examples of static websites that are out there that, number one, showcase products and services, share ideas and thoughts, and can even enable you to create landing pages for marketing campaigns. As you will agree with me, they can be just as functional and as beautiful as dynamic sites. Let's go and check them out. Now the first CMS is WordPress. Notice the color, the blue and white. And when we scroll down, we can see the screenshot of a back end. And then we can see the statistics. And then we can see the gallery of features as well. Now, this is not a verified tutorial on how to use these content management systems. I'm just sharing so that you can get an idea of how static pages look like if you don't already know. Then we see a community picture, and then we see a getting started guide, and then we can see the versions that they have, and we can see the partners, and we scroll down to a footer menu. And then next, we go to Netlify. And then Netlify is a developer's dream because it allows you to build, deploy, and manage websites and apps with ease. You can also integrate with other content management systems such as GitHub, Slack. Notice the color, the layout, the features, the testimonials, and almost everything that a full on website has. And then let's quickly go to, okay, notice the choice of the font that Publier uses when you land, the call to action buttons, and the features and the plans, and the team pictures, the bolder text for headings, and colored text for emphasis. And then we see screenshots of features, statistic charts. What's great about this platform is that it gives you freedom to collaborate with your team members, um, to streamline the content creation process. So that's it. So you can see everything, the navigation, it's there for landing pages just as it is on an ordinary website. So yeah, you see the text, the images, bullet points, and everything else that is there on a website. You can put on a static page. So I'm sure you noticed that each web page corresponds with a single file. As a web designer, I specialize in creating beautiful and functional websites that are tailored to your needs. Whether you need a personal website, a small business website, or a landing page, I can help you build a website that meets your goals and exceeds your expectation. In addition to web design services, I also offer paid video tutorials on how to build static websites. It's affordable and easy to follow, and I will teach you the basics you need to know to build yourself a beautiful and functional static website. So let's do a quick recap. Static websites are a great option for businesses and individuals who need a simple and affordable website. They are incredibly fast since there's no server-side processing, they load quickly and don't require as much bandwidth. Secondly, they are very secure since there's no server-side code to exploit. And finally, they are incredibly cheap to host since they don't require any special server configurations. As custom, I would like to take this time to send a shout out to Afriela Dishes. They have a range of kitchenware, crockery, and cutlery. Please support them by checking out their WhatsApp catalog and buying their durable and beautiful kitchenware. I will leave their details on the description. You can also request a shout out by clicking on the shout out link, and I'll sure mention you on my upcoming videos. So that's it for today's video on static website. The next video will be about dynamic websites. I hope you learned something new today. If so, please subscribe to this channel so that I can make more informative and educational videos. Don't forget to hit that bell for future videos and comment on how I can improve. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.